Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one, we're talking about how to hide Instagram likes on all posts at once. Alright, so just open up your Instagram, hit on your profile icon down here, then tap on the three horizontal lines here to get into the settings menu. And then guys, scroll down until you reach the What You See section or something similar and tap on like and share counts. Right here, you can also search for it right here so that you don't have to search for it. Okay, and as you can see, we have this a little toggle that will make sure to hide like and share counts on your posts. If you want to do this per post, of course, you need to go back. So I have this photo right here. So just press on three dots here. And as you can see from this menu, you can hide the share count and hide the like count. So you can do this for all the posts, future posts that you will make, or just individually per certain post you've already made. So pretty simply done, guys. I hope this was helpful. If so, like and subscribe.